Hello everyone. Welcome to the MonoVM YouTube channel. In this video, we'll learn how to install Kali Linux on Windows using the Microsoft Store. Before getting started, check the prerequisites. Your system must be Windows 10 or Windows 11. You should have an active Microsoft account. Step 1. Enable Windows-Subsystem for Linux, WSL. Before installing Kali Linux, you need to enable the Windows Subsystem for Linux, WSL. This is a feature that allows you to run Linux distributions on Windows. Open Windows PowerShell as an administrator. Run the following command. After running this command, reboot your system. Step 2. Download and install Kali Linux from the Microsoft Store. Open the Microsoft Store app. In the search bar, type Kali Linux. Click on the Kali Linux app to open its product page. Click on the Get button to start the installation. Step 3. Launch Kali Linux. Once the installation is complete, click on the Launch button to start Kali Linux. Step 4. Set up your Kali Linux environment. When you first launch Kali Linux, you will be prompted to create a username and password. Enter a secure username and password that you will remember. Step 5. Update and upgrade packages. Once you have logged into Kali Linux, open a terminal window. Run the following commands to update and upgrade all packages. This will ensure that you have the latest versions of all the software installed on Kali Linux. Step 6. Install additional tools. Kali Linux comes with a wide range of tools for penetration testing and security assessments. However, you may need to install additional tools depending on your specific needs. You can install new tools using the apt package manager. For example, to install the metaspolit-framework, you would run the following command. That's it. You can easily enjoy using Kali Linux on your Windows system.